Imikhankaso efuze lena ibalulekile kakhulukazi ngesikhathi zamaholide ukugwema izingozi emgwaqeni.
Our intention is to ensure that we reduce accidents on our roads. We are very happy with the police visibility. Of course, RTI together with our traffic department, we have reduced those fatal accidents on our roads.
Nakuba isibalo sezingozi sehlile uma kuqhathaniswa nesikhathi esifanayo ngonyaka owedlule, imeya yaseMgungundlovu ithi ayeneme ngesibalo sabashayeli ababoshiwe kusukela izolo ebusuku.
We have reduced those fatal accidents on our roads, but of big concern is the number of drunken driving, which leads to negligent driving. Of course, we are really concerned. The numbers that have been arrested just today says a lot about that, because in one roadblock there were 7 warrants of arrest, 9 arrested.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi zinxuse amaphoyisa kuba angaqhubile emkhankaso ngezikhathi zamaholide kuphela njengoba izingozi zemigwaqo zenzeka unyaka wonke.
Let's intensify the operation. It must be everywhere and it must not be seasonal. Even after it starts, we must see the operation, and as you can see, less accidents. So the more that we have these operations, the more we decrease these accidents.
Balinganiselwa ekhulwini abantu ababoshwe beshayela bedla mponjwana nabephula imithetho yomgwaqo ezweni lonke solokhu kuqale impela sonto yephasika.